New York Life Rates Calculator. The New York Life Rates Calculator is an online tool that helps individuals estimate the cost of life insurance premiums based on their personal details and coverage preferences. This calculator allows users to explore different policy options, adjust coverage amounts, and compare estimated rates before making a final decision. By using the tool, policyholders can plan their insurance budget effectively and choose a policy that meets their financial needs. 1. What is the New York Life Rates Calculator? The New York Life Rates Calculator is a digital tool designed to estimate the monthly or annual premium costs of life insurance policies. It provides a quick and convenient way for individuals to see how different factors, such as age, health, and coverage amount, affect their insurance rates. 2. How to use the New York Life Rates Calculator. Step 1. Visit the New York Life website and navigate to the Rates Calculator tool. Step 2. Choose the type of life insurance you are interested in. For example, term life, whole life, universal life. Step 3. Enter key personal details such as age, gender, smoking status, and desired coverage amount. Step 4. The calculator processes the information and provides an estimated insurance rate. Step 5. Review the estimated rates, adjust coverage options if needed, and compare different policy types before proceeding with an application. 3. Factors that affect your life insurance rates. The estimated rate depends on several factors, including age, health history, smoking habits, policy type, and the level of coverage selected. Those with lower health risks generally receive more affordable premiums, while higher coverage amounts increase costs. 4. Benefits of using the New York Life Rates Calculator. The calculator provides a fast and convenient way to compare different life insurance options without speaking to an agent. It helps users determine affordability, understand coverage costs, and make informed decisions about their life insurance needs. 5. Limitations of the rates calculator. While the calculator provides a useful estimate, the final premium is determined after underwriting, which may include medical exams and additional risk assessments. The actual cost may vary from the initial estimate based on New York Life's full review. The New York Life Rates Calculator is a valuable tool for anyone looking to explore life insurance options and estimate their potential premiums before purchasing a policy. Click on the link in the description below to find out if you're paying too much for insurance.